Muskabu munene wa kanisa ya AIPCA Kenya Samson Muthuri augite abunge ni bobo batere kwithirwa bari ritho ria kari mbunge nene. Muthuri ariuga abunge baba batere gukurukia miswanda iria itikuinyiria mwananchi uria wabatumire mbunge. Akiaria ri kanisene Ntere cha Mitungu augite Akenya batithiritwe bakirega kuria ugoti bunka kebuti kubainyiria. Mutugikare na Chionkuruki.
Akiaria kanisene AIPCA Mitungu, Presiding Bishop Samson Muthuri kagitene kara kurugora kanisa ije ariuga thaijo keja gutwika kuri na miswanda ya kuruka mbunge ire kwenyeria mukari wa kawithre urobati kuorotithirwa kiara ni abunge barabathuri
bakeja gwita baka compromised tugatwika bwe mbiru siga kuruka ikainyeria the common person bagashito batwira batareo they were part of the system ile kethiro kurukiti manto jau parliament is a key player mujumbe oro durite no ko represent te go yinyo gete oyinywe if there is anything that they feel in the current financial bill is not the best interest of a common person, it is their responsibility to see to it that is not passed into law.
Na kere ugoti ugambi bwa Bishop Muthuri adiuga Kenya batena thina na kuburea indi akiromba bubati kuriwa kuringa na kadharikao na akiuga intobi mata migate bite batiko gitithwa mogoti
tende gure kulete kuitogoti Bwana asifiwe. Utende bure kulete kuitai ogoti but mogoti jau ya takairo ya kona we are only given fair share of our taxes. They should not be excess when taxation is being made. Something like bread, mukate as food is a source of life. That's why in the Lord's Prayer we say, give us our daily bread. Ukikosa kitu ya kukula. When we are talking about bread, we are talking about what we eat to sustain our life.
Kumania na Timothy Kithenji ureo kumereria matagete ya seneta Jamiro ariuga kere muswanda jwa mbesa jura jwerigeri kwarerwa mbunge nene kiumia kejete ariuga mbere jukuru kwane jwambe jugaru ichunche bimwe birabitethro bikenyeria Kenya
intobi ki finance bill bikuinyeria antomono na aja watega kirinde getu gitirona anything important utigintu anything government itarugura mathoko itarugura into bibingi taxation ye itia guru ina anto baba kauma most likely tax base ite expanded kutethirwa kwina increment in tax collection kwa itukuromba finance bill eu nicho kwenyuma kidogo itegerwe ithithirwa amendment nonto oni mithomete na taxation ni nyinge gwita go tax basic foods iria anto bareja no taba enable their income ikethirwa ja imanto ja momo mono ki raia na thirikari ya iterie gitene no pendestwe ya anto ya ki asra na asra imuntu kawaida muntu na tegero president tukora na kugeria kuthithia manto ja maingi mono lakini ato muromba no ntuito amutarira no president wetu ategere ura finance bill yombo uchokwa egaitwa tumantu tumwe
na muthiene mataro ja Bishop Muthuri kiratongeria Bajamiro niko gitangwataniro gatigati kao bethire bakethiria mekucha nirere othaiji kenda bakaguna momero na mirandi ya weti na mbere
MCA wanasukumana na gavana sijui anaulisana nini wajumbe ndio wasikisani na gavana yule yako hapa Meru hata wao sijui anaulisana nini. It is important people in the same house they sort out their differences and they work together. Misosano haiwezi saidia, haiwezi hata kidogo. Wengine wakifanywa developments wenu mnabaki nyuma, mnasosana tu, hakuna siku mnakubaliana ati hii kazi ifanyike ama isifanyike.
Kuma mitungo gicigo mbunge kia Southiment nkiripotera teto cia weru wikendi rĩakwa rĩtwa nĩ Mũtungi.